What's your name, son?
Itamar.
Ethan, yeah. So yeah, we have Ethan, and I just came across this company. Find it really interesting for you guys because I know that you guys are setting up your contact centers, and especially when you're in ticket size of 50 to 100 employees. I think this company would really help you. It will bring a lot of value. So let me ask some questions to Ethan. Ethan, can you tell something about what your company does? Yeah.
We do full automation using voice AI for customer service functions for the enterprise. So both inbound and outbound use cases across multiple industries, from real estate to travel and hospitality, insurance, fintech. So essentially completely automating the customer service call.
Fantastic. So especially now the contact centers were going to set up their outbound calls, and if they want to make like hundreds and thousands of calls in a very short time, how does your company help? Like how can you give me some like case study or something?
Yeah, so we have customers where we integrate into through their API and get live leads. Usually within 2-3 minutes, we can follow up on those leads and make the calls. And
Wow.
essentially completely replace fully automate the outbound sale call, right? So we found that recency matters a lot. So the sooner we get those numbers, those leads, and are able to make the calls, the better. And again, we're able to make thousands of calls every hour, right? So
Wow.
that scales pretty nicely.
Fantastic, fantastic. Can you show us some example? Then
Yeah.
I will go to this
Yeah,
example.
absolutely. So we'll show an example of a use case where a company wants to qualify potentially,
Sure.
right? So a
Yeah.
lot of people call, and oftentimes they just have questions. They're not fully ready yet to sign up for a service or such. And the goal we have is to pre-qualify those so that we forward to the live agents only the ones that are serious, so that increase the conversion per agent, which allows them to use fewer agents to do the
Right.
same job or more agents to do more volume.
Okay.
So yeah, let me run this to you. Be pretty self-explanatory.
Okay.
Hello, Richard. This is Stacy on a recorded line with Home Mortgage Services. I show that you filled out a form looking to refinance your property. Is that right?
That's right.
Great. As long as you're serious about getting the best rate, we can lock in the interest rate today. First, I'm going to send you an email that outlines the refinancing process. I'm going to send that to richardgreen@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Correct.
This is an example.
Now,
If the
I would
customer
like
wanted
to
a
ask you
different
a
email, we
couple
can
quick
collect that.
questions to determine which of our teams would be the best fit for you. Okay.
Okay.
What is the amount you are looking to refinance?
About 600,000.
600,000. Got it. And what's the zip code of the property?
94080.
94080. California. That's a nice place to live. I'm going to connect you with a loan specialist in your area. Do you have any questions before I transfer you?
Nope.
Transferring you now.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah. So again, we can the customers can interrupt. They can ask questions. They can offer a
Absolutely.
different email. And as you see, you can customize the voice to zip code and forward to the right agent, right area, things of that nature.
It's completely like it feels like a human voice. I mean, it
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
sound like an AI voice.
You know,
at all.
oftentimes we have these kind of systems deployed, and oftentimes you hear people say, "Yes, ma'am," "No, ma'am,"
Right.
very deeply into the conversation, thinking it's a
Exactly.
person. Right?
Exactly. So in case of defense, they want to get in touch with you. Where they should get in touch with
Yeah,
you?
I think if going to the website, I guess TENYX.com, TENYX.com, one can easily sign up for a demo or just to receive more information. That's the easiest thing.
Fantastic. All right. Sounds good. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Yeah. Thank you.